Amazon may be getting ready to break the crypto world. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, they just announced, or just came out actually from Bloomberg, that they may be getting ready to unveil a big product that has to do specifically with crypto, and it's apparently coming pretty soon. I want to talk about that. I'm going to keep this video short because I thought I was done for the day. I made a couple videos, specifically one for the Patreon, Q&A exclusive. So if you want to join that, you can check out the link underneath the video. But I wanted to cover this really quickly because this does seem to be pretty big news that just came out, and not too many people have talked about it so far. But you can see crypto is doing pretty good, actually. It's moved up since my last video, even. But this week we saw a couple big pieces of news. NASDAQ aiming to debut crypto custody service by Q2 end. The SEC has been hounding crypto, talking about how no one that sells securities is selling crypto right now because it's too unregulated, and they didn't exactly say all the reasons why they haven't started selling crypto. But if the NASDAQ starts selling crypto or even just custodies it, I think that's pretty big news for the industry. This is supposedly coming maybe this year. Fidelity also unveiled that they're expanding their cryptocurrency trading. And now Amazon is set to launch NFT marketplace this summer, according to reports by Bloomberg. We've actually heard some rumblings about this in the past. If you remember, this is from a couple months ago. Amazon NFT initiative coming soon. This was an exclusive from Blockworks. They said that this was that Amazon is launching a digital assets enterprise, according to 4 sources familiar with the matter, who said that an NFT initiative is expected in the spring. Amazon has been shopping the digital collectibles effort to no shortage of power players in the industry. Said to be among these entities are Layer 1 blockchain, blockchain-based gaming startups, and developers in digital asset exchanges. There's a focus on blockchain-based gaming and related NFT applications. So we've seen a lot of these big tech companies going after other big tech companies. And right now, unless I'm wrong, Amazon doesn't really own much in the gaming space. There are a couple other big players, such as Apple, that obviously owns the App Store, Facebook, which owns Oculus, Apple, which is trying to get into Oculus, or a face gaming console as well. We also have Microsoft owning, is it PlayStation? I believe it's PlayStation or one of the major gaming consoles as well. And maybe this is Amazon trying to get into gaming, but doing it specifically through blockchain-based gaming, which would be really interesting. Now, one crypto that they're specifically working with is Avalanche. This is actually on AWS on their website, and they're talking about the benefits of using digital transactions. They say, imagine a world where transactions, selling a house, trading an asset, paying out a claim would finalize in seconds or less. Contract, payment, and receipts all tied together in a single action. You're talking about how this is possible through blockchain. So I think that's pretty crazy. They're working with Avalanche already. I would not be surprised too if they also work with Polygon. I hold Polygon. It's one of the few cryptos I hold right now. But I would not be surprised because Polygon's been working with so many big entities, so many big companies. This would just be another notch in their belt, another huge company that's wanting to work with them. But I think this is, again, pretty big for NFTs. The NFT market, I think, would blow up from this. I think gaming would blow up. A lot of people are saying, excuse me, a lot of people are saying that they think gaming specifically, gaming coins are going to explode. Like a couple big YouTubers are talking about that. Now, going into the metaverse, there's not a specific gaming tab here, but there are certain cryptos that I think will do well in a gaming boom. I think pretty much any of the top cryptos will do well. But the fact is, there aren't a ton of good crypto games at this point. Like Decentraland, one of the biggest cryptos out there in gaming and NFTs, in the metaverse, there's not much to do. Like, you can go there, you can talk with other people, but I don't know if it really stands out compared to anything else. If we go down to the Sandbox, that's better, I think, than Decentraland. But there are some games that are going to come out of this. There's some companies as well, or some cryptos that are more picks and shovel plays that I think will do much better as well. than specific cryptos. And the fact is they'll benefit from a lot of different companies doing well, or just, one that's not specifically their own crypto. But someone else that will win from this is just the layer ones and crypto in general, right? If they can bring more users, that's going to help all of crypto. But also like Ethereum, if NFTs become more mainstream, that could go insane. And it doesn't matter which layer 2 helps scale it, whether it's Polygon, whether it is Optimism, whether it is Arbitrum, it doesn't matter. It will all benefit Ethereum. Also, there are other cryptos as well that could do really well from this too. Whether it's, Avalanche or Polygon or Cardano, Solana, whoever gets more adoption, I think will do really well. But I think specifically, if you want to go with a safer play, you can go with something like Ethereum. It doesn't matter who Amazon really uses. If NFTs go more mainstream, Ethereum will benefit from it. But I'm kind of curious your thoughts on this. It seems like the NFT market is really profitable, whether you look at something like OpenSea or a smaller company. The fact is, if you have enough scale, you can make a ton of money from it. And Amazon's definitely been a trendsetter in the past in terms of technology. So I'm not surprised that they're going to set up this NFT marketplace. Now, thank you so much for watching. I apologize that this looks a little bit laggy, but we will fix it for the next video.